So in this channel, I've shown you guys how to set up your Discord servers from top to bottom already. But the one thing that I haven't shown you is how to make money out of your Discord server. I'm always on top of every new thing that's released, and there is this new program for Discord server owners that allows you to monetize your server. I'm going to explain absolutely everything, so click the full screen and watch the video until the end so that you know exactly how it all works. And if you watched some of my videos before, you know that I don't waste time in blah blah blah. So this is how this video is going to go. I'm going to explain the requirements of the program, what it is, how you will earn money, how much money you can make, how often you get paid, and some strategies to make more money than everybody else. So let's get started. First, the requirements. To be accepted in this program, you need at least 50 people in your Discord server, and you will also need a way to get paid. They can use PayPal, a bank account where you can receive wire transfers in, or even Bitcoin. That's new. What the program is. It's a program directed to Discord server owners, and when you become a partner, you can also get free products for you to do giveaways in your server and entertain your members. It's called the NordVPN's partnership program, and you can find more at nordvpn.com/discord. The link is in the description. And if you don't know what a VPN is, it's a piece of software that tricks your computer into thinking that you are in another country. So let's say TikTok is blocked in your country, you can just use a VPN to change the location of your computer, and then you can access TikTok because your computer thinks that you are in that other country. It's pretty cool. How will you earn? You earn money every time someone gets a NordVPN subscription via your partner link that you will post in your Discord server. Now, how much will you earn? Basically, this is the breakdown. And on top of it, let me run some numbers so that you can have a better idea. Keep in mind that these prices can change like tomorrow if they want. So take this as a reference and not as a scientific truth, right? So let's say you have 100 members on your server. You share your link and everyone sees it. So let's say only 10% of those 100 members click on your link. And out of that 10%, only half of them get a VPN subscription. So we're talking 10% of 100 is 10, and then half of 10 is 5. So 5 people. With 5 people getting the subscription, this will be the breakdown as of today. If those 5 people get the monthly plan and they're signing up for the first time, your earnings could be close to $60. That's 5 times $11.95, which is what the monthly plan costs, and you get 100% of the revenue. On top of those, 59 something. For every month that they renew, you get an additional $17, which is the 30% commission that they offer for renewals. For the 1-year plan, if the 5 people get this one, you will be earning $138, which is a 40% of the profit for new signups. And every year after that, when they renew, that will be an additional $103. The other plan that they have, which is the 2 years plan, you get close to $200 from those 5 people that signed up, which is again a 40% commission of the revenue, and an additional $148 when they renew. These numbers are the top example of what it's called a best case scenario. So you should do your own math of something that would seem more realistic to you, okay?
Okay.
The frequency that you get paid is every month. When you become a partner, they will have an internal employee/account manager from the company that will answer all your questions. Now having an idea of the potential money you can make, now let's move on to strategies that will help you make that happen. Let's break this part into the technical side and the market side. The technical side is how you can set up your Discord server to make sure that the majority of the people see your link. And the market side is the things that you should take into account if you don't want to waste your time, basically. So let's start with the technicals. First, you need to have your link in a place where the people in your server will definitely see it. It's kind of obvious, but you should have a verification system with a welcome message. So with that in place, anyone that joins your server will have their eyes for at least a few seconds on your link. You can either do it on welcome DM, so like they join and then they receive a DM from a bot, or you can just have it in the welcome channel thing, right? That's for the new members. But how about for the existing members? They will not see that channel. The first thing that you should definitely do is do not use the everyone tag. Every noob abuses this tag, so most people by default, as soon as they join a server, they turn those notifications off from the start. So if you do have a verification system that gives people a role, something like verified or member or whatever you call it, you can ping that role because it's a role that everyone has, and that's a more effective way of pinging your members and them getting a notification than using the stupid everyone tag, okay? Something that's maybe a little bit more shady and that you should probably not try is to use a ghost ping custom bot. This is a custom made Discord bot that it will ghost ping all your users. Ghost pinging is when someone mentions you and then deletes the message. You get a notification in that channel and then you come and see who tagged you, but there's nothing there.
Oh my god, stop bro, I'm stuck!
But at least it brings the people to that channel so they can see what's in that channel. It's a little bit annoying to most users, so use it with caution. You can ghost ping the members in that channel where your link is so they can actually see your partner link. It's called impressions, baby. That's what you need to get. You need people to see your link. But I will definitely not recommend doing the ghost pinging. It's just annoying. So that's for the technical side. Now for the market side. You need to only join this program if it fits your server's audience. If your server is about Dan Cocomelon, you're going to be wasting your time because babies don't have credit cards to buy VPNs. You know what I mean? So you need to make sure that your server audience is one that could benefit from a service like this. Let's try to name a few server topics from the top of my head. You have tech people and programmers. They need VPNs because normally they work remotely and a VPN is useful for them because most times they are required to be like in the same location as the company they're working for is. So tech and programming audiences are a good choice. Another good choice is movies and Netflix related topics. They also benefit from VPN because sometimes Netflix will have a movie in one country but not in another. So this topic is also a good one. Digital nomads. That's the people that move to a country for like 6 months and then move to another country for another 6 months to a year. You know, people that work remotely and then they're not settled in one specific place. They are also a very good audience to do that. But maybe not those that are already digital nomads because they probably are already familiar with VPN. So maybe someone that's looking to be a digital nomad. So that's in case you haven't set up your Discord server yet. So like those are the ideas that I have from the top of my head to help you better take advantage of this NordVPN partnership program. And I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Have a wonderful rest of the day, my friends. Stay safe out there.